Water. Sorry, oh.
Madam.
Hey,
Madam.
I do.
Madam, I have business. Madam, see how you look fresh this time around. Wow.
My customer now wake. Come on,
Madam, no worry. You sabi this one?
Sabi, I'm my customer now. Because you know they come here all the time. I don't know.
This thing, where this thing are talking to?
Oh, master. Bring the money, no be the same street you dey. Right, give me the money, make I go.
Oh, now street you dey. Why you not talk me since? Eh? You come dey lie to me say you be homeboy. Oh, come here.
Master, give me my money, make I go.
I go slap you now.
I be this one that be friends now.
No mind this one though. Just dey lie to me since say you be a homeboy. You dey crazy. Madam, no mind this boy. Come make we talk quick.
What do you want to talk now?
Come make we. You. Make you wait for here. Madam. How you doing?
I did. Whoa, waiting they happen. I hope it be no problem.
Dabi, madam. At all. See, but only small problem why I think say there now. This boy. See now, this boy. No money, small. But I know if he pay. You see, this boy don't pursue me. You don't catch me. Now this money, now I devil carry this boy for where they do business. Come catch me. It's immediately to open this eye like this. And my laptop will come see.
But I be this woman be friend. Why you go take your laptop?
Madam, friend business, you know dey for money matter. Especially this kind of thing.
Eradi.
See, no be only Eradi. See, I take God, beg you. In fact, I take Allah join. Borrow me just 40 Ghana. Make I take this my laptop back. Somebody they come this evening, come buy this laptop. I go return the money immediately. I sell this laptop this evening.
Oh, whoa, 40 Ghana.
Madam, but what, madam? I say I take God beg you. Borrow me this money. I go return them this evening. Oh, madam.
No, they do like that. No, they hear me.
Oh, madam. This is madam. You're not madam. Oh.
And because you be my customer. And because you be my very good customer.
Madam.
How much you talk again?
Just 40 Ghana.
Now, it be all the money that don't make sense. Now you can't take so.
No,
what pay me?
I will pay you with change.
What did you use that on me?
Oh, madam. I don't say you don't dare for. I just say the yak. I say I will pay you. Carry change, put on top.
And I know 1 year, just pay me my money.
I will pay you, madam. Damn me, I will pay you. Don't worry. When I be like a younger boy, I will pay you. The inside.
Oh, the laptop the inside now. If you never miss.
Oh, make I see. Open. Make I see. Open.
Yes.
Okay, the inside. Open this place. Zip them, zip it, zip it, and make us come up for here.
Where the money?
I don't know you. In fact, if you see me for road, never see me. I never see you.
Where this person just started to keep here. Just I don't ask monkey be with this thing where they go just the this has been the football. I don't know if even play finishing go wash all this in boot. Jesus Christ. People waiting for party the cost man. Same with football. I don't know if him play ball finishing go keep it. Shut up. Taking poverty the cause. Anyway,
oh boy! Happen. What's it happen?
this one way you just smile like this, don't collect the package.
Now, my brother, you know it's been calculate your brain. You think that one go make me happy. You know, calculate this your brain knows even if that one happen today, I go more now.
Because the way I just see you, just they take the cut in. It won't be like person we do on top motor top, we don't swallow breeze. Well, what happened?
Your problem is you no go fit shut up like this. Make your papa talk. You no shut, keep quiet. Make your papa talk.
I don't know them away they see. If I don't get money, you will smell.
What did you tell about it?
You know, say na your own mouth, you dey smell pass. I buy la pee.
Laptop, where I can see it.
I buy la pee. When I come back from the cafe this morning, now so God just butter my bread. I got the one guy when they come back from from cafe. See where they for open now here. You don't know anything. Take a piece of it, you don't spoil. What buy this laptop when you get here now, put the inside. I don't know how it will take still and see, he like he's still from Nigerian board. This Nigerian passport. The Nigerian passport. And the same name is your phone. Now if you then wait for laptop, we take do unlock it. Lock it. If you inside this bag now, if you see other documents where the person they take travel. I can show you. You don't know traveling documents. I can show you. About the documents. You don't travel. This will record this with yellow card. So now what's but the ticket where they here. Where they here now. If you that park, that Nigerian park where they for that place for back here. So me, I go for the guy. But my only small analysis say if you go catch me like say na maybe the comfort.
I'm just saying, you get small bread, let's say get small bread. Get small bread, people will not try to get small bread. How you think say you will carry this thing? Where you know? How much you buy it first?
This one is 40 Ghana.
40 Ghana. Don't tell me say now 40 Ghana CD now you buy this laptop.
No be 40 Ghana buy.
40 Ghana CD now you carry. Go buy this laptop. You say at times you the best thing we just suck in mama breast just for 2 days.
You don't start again. No. In fact, I know that one no correct because me I remember say I suck my mama breast, suck am 6 years, suck am till e make like fan. In fact, I suck am to make like the pistol fan. So that one when you talk, you don't follow, you dey lie.
You know say Satan don't punish you. You know that one.
Why?
Satan don't punish you.
Why they talk like this?
I tell you true because if as you go carry this laptop now, go back, go find the boy, make it back. They will do it. They will carry the laptop, give it back. Tell you thank you. God bless you.
I know, but that one no go happen. Even the laptop go there from under my care. I will give the guy the document and the passport. You see, even if it happen like that, nothing will happen. Nothing will still happen because he himself. Anyway, if I go there, God himself will call me idiot. I know. I said, don't get that matter.
I can't go say, you realize say, they will call you fool. And then you go come thank me, Boja, for calling you premature idiot.
Boja, no first you know they stop me for here.
You get anywhere they sell laptop for 40 Ghana CD?
Jealousy, they worry you. Leave my laptop. I know say the verse. Say if they like whenever you see something good for my hand. Now so good that I go to cheap like this. Jealousy. Pity yourself.
That's my pocket. Check inside.
You are bad mama. Oh, every time. Come up for there.
Whatever I am, it is my pleasure.
Pastor.
Yes. I'm coming. My friend, shut up.
Pastor.
I said I'm coming. Don't shout at me. I'm coming.
Pastor.
Oh.
Pastor.
I'm coming there. Sit down. I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
Don't make an attempt. Don't make an attempt. I bought this thing 50 pesos. If you wanted to eat, you would have told me something. I told my friend I wanted to eat.
Oh.
Oh, Pastor, I invited.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's how it's madam.
Oh, by the way, she's fine. Why don't you sit down?
You would see my shadow fly. Why you did do that? Why you did do that? Why you just play your brother? Just play your brother for the game. Why you did do that? Why you did do that? Why you just play your brother? Just play your brother for the game. Killing my destiny and failing my plan. I catch you that I was just a scam. Looking in my eyes and calling it fun. How I go do I just for sure. And the money at the send, and the religion at the send, I must confess. Always you see. And the flirting at the flirt, and the feelings at the get, I am depressed. All be juju. Finding the sign, I saw the bright. And it came that I see the light. Picking the phone, I saw the call. Not only that, I just foresaw. And the parties with the brain, for skinning me in pain, hitting me with clay. Oh, what a day. Thinking that we could play a game. Sana, oh baby, it was a shame.